Hey guys, today I'm making homemade flour tortillas. In a bowl, combine your flour, salt, and melted butter and mix well. Then gradually add in some warm water to form a soft dough. Swap out the spoon for your hands and knead the dough well, bringing in all the bits of flour together. Then transfer the dough onto your counter and knead for about 5 minutes. Shape the ball into a disc shape and try to divide it as evenly as possible into 8 pieces. Take each piece between the palm of your hands, roll it into a ball and flatten it slightly. Cover this with a tea towel and allow it to rest for 15 minutes. When the 15 minutes are up, use some additional flour to roll each ball into a round. The thinner you can get it, the better. Dry fry this on medium to high heat. First on the one side for about 30 seconds and then turn it over and the same on the other side. And turn it back and forth as often as you need to. And then you're ready for the next one. Make sure not to press down on this as it fries. Now I'm going to make the cheesy quesadillas. On one tortilla I spread some cheese and add in my leftover chicken, some chopped tomatoes and some jalapenos. Then cover it with more cheese and another tortilla and place it back onto the stove. Allow the cheese to melt on the one side, and then to flip it over, just use a plate, turn it over, slide it back into the pan and allow it to cook on the other side for a few minutes. Place it on your cutting board or in your plate and enjoy!